Welcome back to Artworks Garage. Today, I want to show you how to fix the seat lean, or the Gangster Lean, some call it, on the Foxbody Mustang. Now, what happens is the frame inside the seat breaks, and it can break in quite a few different areas. It's just cheaply spot welded together, so a lot of those spot welds tend to crack, break, and then you end up getting distortion and bending of your seat back frame. So today, I'm going to completely tear the seat apart and fix it if it needs fixing. Regardless, I'm going to weld it back together and make it stronger than it even came from the factory. Everything else on the seats is going to remain entirely the same, with the exception of the fact that I'm changing the color to black. And I'm going with a two-tone theme. I'm leaving the cloth seats gray, the original stone gray or something I think it was called. It's called Mustang Smoke Cloth Pissing, apparently. Mustang Smoke Cloth Pissing. Yep. And the vinyl in the entire interior, including the carpet and the headliner, and it's going to give it a fresh, new, clean look, even though the interior is 30 plus years old. This is the original interior from this Foxbody Mustang, and my intent is to try to keep it in hopes that it will lower the cost of the restoration process while still freshening it up and making it look fantastic. Let's see what we can do. Even though I was able to easily get the headrest off the driver's side seat, I could not for the life of me get it out of the passenger seat using the screwdriver method from inside the back of the seat. So I just decided to take the headrest off, which was simple and what I wish I had done in the first place. Now on to masking the seats off to get that two-tone theme I'm going for. This took me several hours to do this to the seat bottoms, seat backs, and headrests, and I'm not sure I would do it all over again. So these are done. Well, almost done. They are probably dry to the touch. It's only been about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But I'm gonna let these sit until tomorrow, and then I'm going to put this passenger seat back together. And over here is the finished driver's side seat. Doesn't have the headrest on it yet, but I'm pretty happy with it for a seat that's 30 years old and hasn't yet been cleaned. Once these are clean, I think this will look pretty darn fantastic compared to what it looked like before. Anyways, these seats looked like trash before. That's all for this episode of Artworks Garage. If this helped you out or you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I will be bringing you more Foxbody content, in addition to 997 Porsche Turbo content, Toyota Land Cruiser content, E39 M5 content, and more. See you next time on Artworks Garage.